talk to you today about our stormwater management program, we also call it MS4.
The IB program is a program for 11th and 12th graders that is designed to give them a college-level sequence of courses in all disciplines, but also fosters international mindedness. And then there are other aspects of it that involve creativity, action, and service, where the kids get to get involved in their local community with service projects.
Into our storm sewers and
My coworker and I were invited to Unity Read, and we're talking about our MS4 program and our stormwater infrastructure here at the school. So MS4 stands for Municipal Sewer and Separate Stormwater, and that's when our stormwater flows right into the Chesapeake Bay without any waste management. So we have some best management practices we're talking about today on how we try to curb the pollution that runs off of our impervious surfaces here at the school.
That provide our drinking water, a lot of the salt's going to go into those areas.
Going forward now to 2026, I would love to continue seeing events like these because I felt really included. I felt like the community and school came together.
Today, I hope that the students take away some career options. I think that a lot of people overlook the environmental career aspect, and there's just so much that they can do with the environmental perspective. Educational outreach is very important to my team because I personally believe that the environment is something that everybody shares, and I think it's very important that we keep it clean.